What if I told you I built a dropshipping business without ever touching a product, dealing with shipping, or talking to a single supplier? Sounds crazy, right? But with the help of automation and a platform called Doba, I made it possible. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. Hey creators and side hustlers, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm breaking down how I set up a 100% automated dropshipping business using AI and Doba. No inventory, no headaches, just smart systems that make money while you sleep. You will find the link in the description below. Let's get started. Most people think dropshipping means endless product research, talking to unreliable suppliers, complicated store management, and slow shipping from overseas. Honestly, that used to be true until I found Doba. Let me show you what it does differently. Doba is an all-in-one dropshipping platform that connects you to over 1,000 US-based and global suppliers, giving you access to 700,000 plus products. You don't need to store anything. Doba handles product sourcing, inventory management, order fulfillment, shipping to your customer. So now, let's answer the big question. How does Doba actually work? Here's a clear breakdown. Once you sign up on Doba, you'll land on a clean and simple dashboard filled with tons of product catalogs. The very first thing you need to do is connect your online store. Just click on the integration section and select your platform, whether it's Shopify, Amazon, eBay, TikTok Shop, Wix, WooCommerce, or any of the supported ones. Then click on Connect My Store Now, go through the quick registration, and you're done. The connection happens instantly, and now your store is fully ready to sync with Doba's huge product catalog. Now comes the fun part, choosing the right products to sell. Doba's marketplace is massive, with over 700,000 products from more than 1,000 trusted suppliers. And what makes this even easier is the powerful filter system. You can sort and search for products based on categories, shipping time, supplier location, pricing, and even the minimum order quantity. Let me show you an example. Right at the top, you'll find a bunch of product filters and controls. From here, you can directly search for a specific type of product. For example, if you're looking for the best trending items for TikTok Shop, just click on TikTok Shop selections. Instantly, Doba will show you a curated list of top performing products perfect for TikTok. And trust me, the list is huge. You'll never run out of options. You can even apply extra filters if you want. And once you find something good, just select it. You can also directly list that product into your TikTok Shop right from here. And if you don't have a store yet, no worries. You can create one right inside Doba itself. On the left-hand side, you'll see category filters, where you can explore products by niche and add them to your inventory with just a click. All right, that's how simple and beginner-friendly it is. Just like that, if you want to find top-ranking products, you can do that very easily from here too. For example, check this product. It's currently one of the top sellers. Basically, Doba shows you the top 200 items based on the number of orders in the last 15 days. Super useful, right? Similarly, if you click on Most Popular, you'll see the products that are trending the most. These are also top 200 products, but they're ranked by popularity, how often they've been viewed or interacted with over the past 15 days. Then there's a section called Hot Picks. These are the top 200 items based on how many times they were listed or downloaded in the last 15 days. So yeah, a lot of winning product options right here. Now, after checking top-ranking products, there's also a special section for high-profit items. This is where you can discover low-cost products that offer high margins, meaning more profit for you. Super handy if you're focusing on revenue. Next up, you've got the New Arrivals tab. You can keep an eye on fresh, newly added products and even test them early before others jump in. And if you're serious about product quality, head over to the Premium Supplier section. Here, you'll find top-rated suppliers that offer premium quality products, excellent service, and competitive prices. Basically, this section is ideal for finding reliable partners to scale your business smoothly. Now let's say you just want to browse everything in one place. Then simply go to the All Products tab. This is where you'll see the full catalog. And trust me, there are more than 700,000 products listed here. You can apply filters to quickly find exactly what you need. On the left-hand side, you'll see all the main product categories like home, garden and tools, beauty and health, outdoor clothing, shoes and jewelry, toys, kids and baby, sports, pets, electronics, and a lot more. So you can easily browse category-wise to match your niche. On top of that, there's also an advanced product research tool, along with more filters. You can use these tools to narrow down your search and find very specific products quickly and efficiently. Apart from all this, you can also search for suppliers directly, and you'll instantly get a list of top-performing suppliers. You can even filter suppliers by country, meaning you can decide where you want the product to be shipped from and to which country it should be delivered. And here's something really helpful. You can also see the processing and delivery times for each supplier. For example, you'll know exactly who can ship in 3 days, 7 days, 15 days, or more. So with all these filters and options, you'll eventually land on the perfect product, one that's high in demand, a bestseller, gives you great profit, and gets delivered in the least amount of time. Sounds amazing, right? Now, if you look closely, you'll see the AI Hub option here. This section is a total game changer. The AI Tool Hub helps you do a bunch of important things in your dropshipping journey. It lets you quickly build a professional Shopify store, automatically list products to save you hours of manual work, discover profitable products using AI-driven suggestions, and most importantly, boost your efficiency and sales potential. In short, this tool simplifies the entire dropshipping setup so that you can focus on scaling your store. You just pick your niche and let Doba's AI do the heavy lifting. It will build your store and automatically list the best products for you. Don't worry, you're always in full control. You can customize the theme, add your brand logo, edit product descriptions, and more. Doba's AI just gives you a solid head start, and then you can shape everything your own way. Let's click on Try It Now and explore. Okay, so now you'll see a few different AI dropshipping tools on the screen. First, there's the AI Store Builder. This lets you set up your store in just a few minutes. Then there's the AI Product Finder, which helps you find top-selling products in no time. Let's click on Try AI Product Finder. First, we'll need to choose our target category. Let's go with home, garden, and tools. Then, you can select a specific niche under that, like kitchen and dining, furniture, or decor. And again, you can narrow it down even more by picking an even more specific niche. And boom! Doba AI now gives you a list of winning products tailored exactly to your chosen category. Isn't that awesome? This tool is seriously powerful. It saves your time, removes all the guesswork, and helps you launch your dropshipping store smartly and confidently. Next up is the AI Auto Lister. And trust me, this one's a real time saver. This tool automatically picks winning products based on your niche, your preferences, and your settings, and it keeps updating your store regularly so your product listings always stay fresh and trending. Which means you don't have to manually search for products anymore. The AI will handle everything for you. Smooth, right? Alright, now let's talk about the final AI tool. And honestly, this one is a total game changer. It's called the AI Listing Optimizer. And seriously, this tool can save you hours of effort. With just a couple of clicks, it optimizes your Doba product titles and descriptions using AI. And they're instantly ready for platforms like Shopify, eBay, TikTok Shop, and more. The best part? You get high-converting product titles and descriptions. Instantly, no guesswork. Everything is SEO boosted, so your products show up better in search results. And yes, it all integrates directly into your stores. No more messy copy-pasting or formatting issues. If you're someone who struggles with writing product descriptions or just want to scale your store faster, this tool is honestly a must-have. Don't skip it. So yep, that's a wrap on Doba's powerful AI tools. And now, you're fully equipped to launch, manage, and grow your dropshipping store like a pro. And that's how you can build a fully automated dropshipping business using Doba. From finding winning products to optimizing listings, everything is handled with powerful AI tools so you can focus on scaling, not struggling. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future tutorials like this. And if you're ready to try Doba, check out the special link in the description to get started with exclusive benefits. Thanks for watching.